Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Please note, do not fully tighten the screws until the chair is fully assembled. Loosely fastening the screws during assembly will help to ensure the screws will align with the screw holes. Only fully tighten the screws after the chair has been fully assembled. Place the connecting bars onto one of the frames. With the included Allen key, loosely tighten the screws. Slide the second frame onto the connecting bars. With the included Allen key, loosely tighten the screws. Place the backrest flat on the ground with brackets pointing up. Attach the seat cushions to the backrest with the included screws. Turn the chair over and fasten the seat cushion. Align the screw holes on the frame with the screw holes on the backrest. Now firmly tighten all your screws in an alternating cross pattern. Place the caps into the screw holes. You're now ready to enjoy your new chair.